Hello everyone! Today we are going to talk about singletons, an important concept to know because it can be really useful in Unity. For example, when you want to access a specific component without having to declare it over and over again in every single script. First, let's go over the definition of a singleton in Unity. It's considered a design pattern that ensures only one instance of a class exists through the entire game and that it can be accessed from any script. And what exactly does that mean? Let's break it down. When we say in programming that something is a design pattern, it means it's a best practice frequently used to optimize. And the question you're probably asking is, why does it allow optimization? That's where its two main features come into play. The first is that it ensures there's only one instance of a class. That means there will only be one game object in your game containing that script. For example, in many Unity projects there should only be one game manager, which handles all the core logic of the game. The second feature is that it's accessible from any other script. This makes the singleton a very useful and recommended technique. Instead of having to declare a variable of a specific component type, you can directly call that script without declaring it. This works because, as we said in the first feature, there's only one of these objects in the whole game. We will understand this better with an example. This game manager, as you can see, handles all the main functions of the game. By making it a singleton, notice how from other scripts we can just type GameManager.instance and access any of the main functions of the game. This is the most efficient and correct way to program a game, because it saves you the step of declaring and linking it manually. Now let's see how to create a singleton. First, we generate our script and name it Game Manager. Inside it, in the variable declaration section, we write public static followed by the name of the script we want to make a singleton, in this case Game Manager, and assign it a name. The recommended convention is instance, but you can call it Pepito or whatever you like. Next, we open the awake function. Remember, this runs before start, which is why it's recommended to create singletons before the instance is used. Inside, we add an if statement. The condition will be if instance is null, meaning the instance is empty, then instance equals this. And we add don't destroy on load, so it proceeds between scenes. On the else, if there is already an instance of this game manager and it's not empty, we destroy it. To test it, let's create a public void function called testing. No need to write anything inside. Now we create a new script with any name, in my case singleton test. Inside we try GameManager.instance.testing, and if everything went well, it should work without any issues. Implement them in your projects. For more videos like this, hit like and subscribe. See you next time!